Hi, I'm Tim Gaspar, founder of Hatch Financial Services, back with the next tip in our series of 30 tips for first home buyers. And today's tip is not all apartments are equal. Now, what do I mean by this? Well, let's take it. There are a number of aspects about apartments that means that banks view them differently, starting with the most important one, the title type that the apartment is part of. Most apartments are what they call strata titled. This type of title is well accepted by the banks and does not pose an issue. But then there are stratum titled apartments and company titled apartments. And with these types, lenders are more selective. In the case of company titles, the maximum amount you can borrow may be restricted to as little as 65% of the purchase price. And there are some lenders who won't deal with them at all. So first thing you need to be aware of is what title type you're dealing with. The next consideration is the size of the apartment. Some lenders will only lend on apartments that are bigger than 50 square metres, whilst others will consider apartments of 40 square metres or more, and only one or two will consider an apartment below 40 square metres. When talking about sizes, different banks have different views about whether that number includes balconies and car spaces, so we need to be clear about the number and what it represents. Lastly, banks have different rules around lending for apartments that are considered to be in high density apartment blocks or in particular inner city locations. So what all of this means is, as you're looking at properties, you need to be asking questions that give you the information that you can take back to your mortgage broker so that they can identify for you which lenders are able to consider the apartment as security for the home loan you're seeking. And understanding that the more difficult it is to get finance, that indicates that it may impact upon the resale value of the property. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more tips, and I'll see you soon.